You are not alone. Hi there, kumusta ka? This year, face all your fears and your doubts. Not because you're strong, but because God is protecting you. And today, may you be encouraged that no matter what happens, you are never alone. As the Bible says, He will cover you with His feathers, and under His wings you will find refuge. His faithfulness will be your shield and your rampart. Isa sa mga bagay na natutunan ko talaga is that fear isn't our enemy. It is our guide. Kumbaga, it pushes us to move, most importantly, trusting God more. And when you know that you're safe under His protection, you'll have the courage to do the things na akala natin napaka-imposibleng mangyari. Pero dahil nagtitiwala tayo kay Lord, alam natin na mangyayari ang mga imposible. Because He is the God of all wonders and nothing is too hard for Him. Pursue mo yung mga pangarap na natatakot kang abutin or gawin or napanghihinaan ka ng loob kasi feeling mo hindi naman na mangyayari. Kaya kapit lang tayo, dasal pa tayo. And also, focus on the progress and not the perfection. And watch how far God will take you. At may ginagawang kamangha-manghang bagay ang Diyos sa sitwasyon mo ngayon.